So again, I bring junk into the garage, but hear me out. If you see over my garage, it's full of stuff except here. Under the bench I have a large space that I can use, and as you can see, I cannot afford to lose any space. So for a couple of weeks I was looking in the ads for used, cabinet, and I really hope that it would be in better shape than this one, but this fits perfectly. It has some damages on it. It's very dirty. I already cleaned it once. I will need to do that twice, but let me try, and I think I can make a really good addendum to the garage. So we skipped the whole sanding, sanding, painting part. Well, frankly, this is not the channel about that, and the drill. We just clean it, sand it, and then paint it in matte black. And here you can see I put my tools. Well, this is just first combination, but here I put my power tools, torque wrenches and stuff like that. In the other one that I'm having problem now to get to it, but I put sprays, spray cans, paints, tools for painting, for stuff like that I will not use so often. And here I have the drawers, so I put inside, for example, in this one are drill bits and stuff like that. So there's small parts, electrician parts, and so I have 4 drawers. My compressor is still have a lot of room there. Everything fit well, except my wife is maybe correct when she said that I have too much tools, because when I did that I didn't see so much space. Okay, we have those paints here, now I can put whatever I'm working on, and that is great. And now I'll take one beer. See you guys.